We pride ourselves on our people and our incredible service. So when we receive a great 5-star review, we're thrilled to share it with everyone. We'd like the opportunity to provide you with a great experience. Great feedback like this helps to keep us all very motivated. Our goal is to provide service that is second to none, and it's great to see that everyone appreciates our efforts. So if you're after great service that'll cater to your needs, let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Feel free to contact us at the number on your screen.